students, how are you? Hope you are all fine. I, Jayati Chaudhary, today I am going to discuss with you English literature of class 4, chapter 9, The Friendly Beast. Please open down page number 70. Let's start. The Friendly Beast. Baby Jesus, our brother, kind and good, was humbly born in a stable root, and the friendly beast around him stood. Baby Jesus, humble, kind and good. I said the donkey, saggy and brown, I carried his mother up hill and down. I carried Mary safely to Bethlehem town. I said the donkey, saggy and brown. I said the cow, all brown and red, I gave him my manger for his bed. I gave him my hay to pillow his head. I said the cow, all brown and red. I said the sheep with the curly horn, I gave him my wool for his blanket warm. He wore my coat on Christmas morn. I shed the sheep with the curly horn. I set the dove from the rafters high, cooked him to sleep, my mate and I. We helped him to sleep, my mate and I. I set the dove from the rafters high, and every beast by some good spirit in the stable was glad to tell of the gift he gave Emmanuel, the gift he gave Emmanuel. First, I have read the poem for you all. Now, I am going to explain the poem to you. The Friendly Beast is a 12th century Christmas carol. A carol is a religious folk song associated with Christmas. In this carol, we can see different animals and birds are telling how they have helped Jesus' mother Mary and baby Jesus. First comes the brown donkey who carried pregnant Mary safely to Bethlehem town. Secondly comes the red and brown cow who gave his manger as the bed of baby Jesus and offered his hay as his pillow. Then comes the curly horned sheep who offered his wool to keep Jesus warm. Lastly comes a pair of doves who cooked baby Jesus to sleep. Every beast was happy to help baby Jesus as they know that he was God. Now students, I am going to discuss some question answers and meanings with you. You can see them on the screen. you all enjoyed the class. Now read the poem nicely and do the assignment in your English literature copy. Thank you.